In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve inequalities with multiplication and division. Say that we have 2x is greater than 6. Well, just like you would a linear equation, we're going to try to get this x all by itself, so we're going to divide by 2. Whatever we do to the left side, we have to do to the right side. So we're going to get that x is greater than 6 divided by 2, which is just 3. So we're going to find the 3 on the number line, circle it because x is greater than it, and we can't fill it in because it's not greater than or equal to. Anything that's greater than a number is going to be to the right. Our next problem says x divided by 3 is less than 2. Rewritten, this is x over 3 is less than 2. So all we need to do is multiply both sides by 3 to get x by itself. So our 3's are going to cancel out on this side, and we're going to be left with x is less than 2 times 3, which is 6. So we're going to find the 6 on the number line, circle it because x is not less than or equal to, it's only less than 6. And less than means anything to the left on the number line. Our next example says negative 9 is greater than 3 plus negative 3x. So we're going to start by trying to get this negative 3x by itself. So we're going to move 3 over, so we're subtracting 3 from both sides. Negative 9 minus 3 is going to leave us with negative 12. Bringing down your inequality sign, negative 12 is greater than negative 3x. So now we're going to divide by a negative 3. But there's a trick to this. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to switch your inequality sign. So now, doing out the math, it's going to be that negative 12 divided by negative 3 is a positive 4. Switching our inequality from greater than to less than, and then this is going negative divided by negative is a positive 1, so it's just x. So now we have 4 is less than x. Some people prefer to read inequalities when x is on the left side. If you're one of those people, you just have to switch the sides, and when you switch the sides, you switch the inequality. So now we're going to have that x is greater than 4. So we're going to find 4 on our number line, circle it, and x is greater than 4, so it's not equal to it, and greater than means everything to the right. So x is greater than 4. In this last example, we have x divided by negative 2 plus 7 is less than 3. We're going to start by moving the 7 to the other side. So we're going to subtract 7 from both sides. That's going to leave us with x divided by negative 2 is less than 3 minus 7 would be negative 4. Now we have to get rid of this negative 2 so that x is by itself. So we're going to multiply both sides by negative 2. Now remember, when we're multiplying by negative, we're flipping the inequality sign. So this is going to leave us with x is greater than, since it used to be less than and it now becomes greater than, and negative 4 times negative 2 is going to be a positive 8. Now we can draw that on our number line. Circle the 8, and x is greater than 8, so we're not going to shade in the circle around 8, but since it's greater than it, we're going to shade in everything to the right.